Chime Francis, everybody.
All right. So the theme of the show, what they gave us the brief said we should roast the year. So some of my materials might look like Joshua King's materials because now the same year all of us they talk about. Okay. So 2025 has been a great year, especially for me. Made it 1 year. I got married. Yeah. Thank you very much. Crazy year though. If you are single here, please don't get married. Stay, stay where you are. 2025 has been a year of a lot of fighting and death. That's how I put it. Yeah, so much fighting, fighting for power. And from the beginning of the year, Wike and Sim, Wike and Yerima, you're a fool. I'm not a fool. Even Wike weak for that fight. Crazy, man. It has been a lot of issues, even in marriages. There have been a lot of fights in marriages too. You know, Innocent and Annie, Regina and her stepdad. So, so, so much fights. Crazy, And now we're even fighting terrorists, fighting bandits. It's crazy. I don't understand. There's so much mediocrity now. Even the bandits we have, the kidnappers we have, I don't know. Before, we used to have kidnappers that did their research properly. Yeah. Remember those times? It used to be kids. I would say kidnapping. People look out for rich children. Kids, they look out for rich parents with rich. If you are poor, nobody kidnaps a poor child. You understand? They will do their research. They will, scan how much the papa go fit pay for this pikin. They go know the amount, know the kind bag where they go carry the cash. They did a lot of research. But now, they just stop bus, carry everybody. Why? I mean, if you do your research, there's no way you will carry somebody wearing Arsenal jersey. Where's the win in that? Just look at he just that bus. Why? Which guy kidnapping me that? And even now, say, will they make this kidnapping thing even easy? I mean, give one of my neighbor, one girl. Anytime when this girl post picture, she go put caption. You know, girls they like post pictures, put caption. She will post picture, put caption. You see snatch. Any of her picture, snatch. They kidnapped her last week. They don't finally snatch her. So there's a lot of fighting. Another set again. Plane. The number of fights we had at airports this year. So many. Starting from that female pilot with K1. Women, fear women, oh. Do you know that girl was ready to use the wing, come out in fila? We said, okay, that one has set to another set. You remember that girl now? The naked girl on the plane. Say, when that gist started, everybody was angry with the girl. Because they didn't know. People one of my guys was a provoke. Which kind of girl be that? Why girl go do that kind of thing? Why will you go on a plane and cause nuisance? What is this? That girl is silly. She said, no, just a cause the girl. In fact, let me see the video. Let me even watch what happened. Now they carry the phone, give the guy watch the video. No, this girl is a good girl. No. Somebody triggered her. Somebody provoked her. There's no way this girl would have just... Somebody caused this. Say again, one woman. See, in this life, be attractive. Even if you don't have money, one lady will stand when they find. Say they transfer the association, give her. I know now. See this ugly woman. She's the one. See, look at. She's the one that caused this. So much fighting. You have been fighting so much this year. Another set. Jollof and VDM. When I see the fight, was starting and one everybody fight. I can't see people they fight like girls. Start. From nowhere, Jollof can't go bite VDM. People can't they complain, say, why you go bite? I mean, you can't have Jollof without meat now. you go bite meat, you go collect meat now. So much fighting. And I said something, and I said there are a lot of deaths. This year we have actually had so many good people that have left us. So many. If I call, if you don't even remember. This year we lost Herbert Iwigwe, one of the owners of Access Bank. We also lost Junior Pope. We lost like 3 former governors that have governed different states. Lagos, Rivers, Imo. So many people. And we lost one of the... I used to call him he was like a father to me. You people all know him, Buhari. I mean, when Buhari died, people were not sure they wanted to mourn him, some people want mourn him, some people don't want. People were indifferent because they didn't really know if it was the real one that died or if it was the fake one that just died, and he said something before he died. He said we are going to miss him. Yeah, he said it. So you guys will miss me. And we they miss him now. We they miss him because now the way the country is, it's crazy. Before the election, they tell people that time during the election, people were saying, go and get your PVC. Everybody should get their PVC. We need to vote. Because, elections have consequences. But me, I was not worried about people getting PVCs. I was particular about those that had their PVCs and the choices they were planning to make during the voting. Because that period, I was at Labour Party rally. I saw one guy in the rally dancing. If you see the dexterity of the guy, they used dance. Guy wear APC polo or PDP short for Labour Party rally. If you see dance, the guy was dance, they sweat. Now go meet this guy. Say, nice one, bro. The way you're going, who are you going to vote for in this election? Say, Amy, so. Confusion. And since then, we have not rested, though. Since then, the problems are too many. I entered one restaurant recently, ordered swallow. See me, I go wash my hand. If I come, I don't carry my meat. For inside restaurant, crazy. People are going through it. I did like this for events. One event like this, magician this stage. They do magic for stage. Then they carry a phone for him bag. Then the magician notice. Come begin cry. It's not the phone that is even paying him himself. It's the SIM. Person when they change paper to dollar, begin shed tears. Magician begin cry on stage. Crazy, man. The way the country is getting bad. Went to one event recently. Festival of 9 lessons. This Carol event. As they come out from the event, 9 them block me. Collect my phone. Who blocked me now for that Christmas? Show me gun like this. They sing, Felix Navidad. Bring your phone. Collected my phone. Robbed me. The country is tough. Suffering. That's why when I started this performance, I said, thank God I did 1 year in this marriage. Because it was a lot. It was after Tinubu I got married. During this time. It was a lot for me. Don't let anybody want you. They will tell you, you are young now. You're almost 30, you're 20, you're 29. Go and get married. It's a lie. They will not be there. That's what the society does. They always encourage you. Say, Baba, go marry now. You go and marry. After 9 months, they go, wait. Baba, you never get picking. You rush. You born one. They go come again. Say, this one, who go they play with them? You born 2. After another 9 months, they come and say, why they do like this? I want to get only 2 children now. If these 2 fights, who go separate them? You born 3. What is not rough now? Now you go call the 5 people. Say, we never chop. They come and say, we not send you work now. We say make you go marry. Who tells you make you go marry when you get money? It was really tough for me. When I wanted to get married, they said there's something called committee of friends. That you create a WhatsApp group, add them, they'll support you when you want to get married. I said, that's nice. So when I wanted to get married, created a WhatsApp group, added my trusted friends, made them admin, they removed me. Turn the WhatsApp group to Sporty Bet. They share codes. They share codes there. Very wicked though. It was on my 3rd day that I knew why groom are never happy in their weddings. Check. You will not see a groom happy. It's always the bride. It's as if they have extra 24 hours on their wedding day. They have a lot of activities to do. A lot. The bride go even bring like 18 girls. They have their own content creator, their own personal video guy. They go even get time. Get dance routine. We see girls, 18 girls. Get enough time. When you go to where the groom, if you see vex, so they vex the photo guy. Baba, do quick now. One go smoke now. Do quick. But they hurry the guy. Anger. Groom is angry. I used to SV weddings a lot. I go to see groom. I didn't understand until my turn. At my trial that day, they dance. That person comes and says, Chime, you are not happy. Cheer up. With this face. I they see camera guy. The guy they facing with camera, they see gun. I was owing all the vendors different percentages. It was crazy, man. And there's something they will not teach you in marriage, oh. This question, what are we going to eat? How to answer that question? What are we going to eat? You go answer that question like 3 times, so. My time when my wife asks me, they say, what are we going to eat? I go come begin the think. If we eat bread now, this woman go send me go buy bread. If we cook beans, gas go finish. Crazy. Question when they go use to kill you. And there's something new couples do these days. And they see people can just marry. You get married on Saturday morning, don't go open couples page. Nigerians just won't tell things what they happen for their marriage. Marriage never even last. You don't open couples page. Other than money. You begin post. Marriage page never get 10 followers. You don't divorce. If you see, and you know it's always the ladies that used to handle those pages. The wife, if you see complain, babe, who was that girl that commented on our picture about your dimple? I went live with the couples page. You did not join with your personal page. And the group now don't block the couples page with their own personal page. Marriage now don't spoil. Now the group now, the bride now they find they rename the page. Adam money to Adamant. And the way the country is now, have you noticed? I don't know. Is anybody into advertising here? Anybody?
They make it.
Do you know that in advertising here, companies don't use their real customers to advertise their product. You would not find an alcohol company or a beer company that use the actual consumers of beer to advertise. No. You know if you just come now and see adverts, person just fall out. About this beer they walk home. No. They go use fine girls. Sexy girls. So tasty. For action bitters. Tasty. You will not. And the set of people that annoy me the most, you see loan companies. Those ones, they make it so easy. They go, look. And they walk up for Marina and they see one big signboard. Say, borrow 1 million in 5 minutes. So fast. Now I say, no wala now. Now I call the number. Toop, 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 toop. Hello. My name is Chime Francis. I would like to borrow 1 million. The girl laughed. I said, I don't understand. Why are you laughing? Girl said, stop it, Joe. You will not pay back. I said, how do you know I will not pay back? From your voice. It's crazy. A lot of comedians have come up here and, I've been telling people that people don't really rate stand-up comedy. And it's always good when platforms like this come up to, put our work out there. People don't really rate comedians, yeah. I don't see where, even when you go for events, you go show like this. You see when they call comedian come stage. When they call artists, they're different. They call artists. People are throwing shirts, throwing clothes, throwing different things. Oh my God, Bona! But when you call a comedian, it could be like audition. As they enter, they don't bet. This guy never make me laugh. Why? Why? And even women don't take us serious. Women don't take comedians seriously. When I was still single, I had this friend, Amaka. We don't date for a while now. So I come tell her say, Amaka, the way we have been close, we have known each other for a while. Let's take it to another level. Probably to marriage. Now the guy say, stop it, Joe. Is that one of your jokes? I beg you that will MC my wedding. Serious work zone. I remember one of my brothers they get married to an Imo girl. So since I'm from Imo State, the guy say, Chime, follow me now. Make we go see her mama and her papa. I said, no wala. Follow this guy. Go to the girls, her mother's place. So we found out that the girl's father was late. It was just the mother. The mama just stay one corner. We dey one corner. For like 40 minutes, the woman just look the guy. She no talk. From nowhere, then the woman come ask the guy, say, so what do you do for a living? The guy say, I'm a stand-up comedian. The woman say, stand up and leave. Another set of people that thunder will fire, I say event planners. Another set of people that disrespect this work, event planners. They will just call you and they always like to use big words. You don't have money, so why are you using words like on board? want to have you on board our event. And I say, okay, bless say this one's the whole. I can't say, okay, make I just give them opportunity, make them talk wetin dem get. Event planner called me. I say, okay, what's your budget? Event planner say rice and malt. For who? For the MC. I got caught too. Now I can't call am back. Say, that rice and malt, the rice, is it cooked or raw? If na raw rice, I go collect. Thank you very much. My name is Chime.